explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 14 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is speech. So इस chapter में हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं about the speech. So let us begin with this and know more about this. So a dialogue has two forms of speech. एक dialogue में actually दो तरीके की स्पीच होती है. That is, the first one, the direct speech, and the second one, the indirect speech. Right? So, let's discuss about the direct. When the sentences carries the actual words of a speaker, it is called the direct speech. कि जब एक sentence carry करता है speaker के actual words, तब उन्हें कहा जाता है direct speech. Right? Examples. The teacher said, read properly. My mother said to me, you should respect your teachers. Right? उसी के बाद next आता है हमारा indirect speech. Now what is indirect speech? When the speech is reported without the actual words but with its full meaning intact is called indirect speech or reported speech or narration. कि जब एक स्पीच रिपोर्ट की जाती है एक्चुअल वर्ड्स के साथ नहीं बट उसी सेम मीनिंग के साथ, तब उसे कहा जाता है इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच, रिपोर्टेड स्पीच या फिर नरेशन. राइट? सो एग्जांपल्स आर द टीचर ordered me to read properly. My mother told me that I should respect my teachers. Right? Next, moving ahead to the changes in tenses. अब tenses में कैसे change किया जा सकता है? So it is direct speech and indirect speech. Is, are, am. Indirect speech में जाते ही हो जाता है was, were. Will, can, shall becomes would, could or should. May becomes might. Does not or do not becomes did not. Has or have becomes had. Was, were plus ing form becomes had been. Did or not becomes had not. Had or remains had only. Right? Next, we have change in denoting time and position words. अब time और position words को कैसे denote किया जा सकता है? Again, we have two columns, direct speech and indirect speech. So, this becomes that. Here becomes there. Today becomes that day or the day. Tomorrow becomes the next day or the day after. Yesterday becomes the previous day or the day before. Last night becomes the previous night or the night before. Moving ahead, we have these, those. Now, then, tonight, that night, ago, before, thus, so, day before yesterday, the day before the previous day, day after tomorrow, the day after the next day or in 2 days. Right? तो ये हमारे चेंजेस होते हैं जो कि डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में हमें करने पड़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट आर द चेंजेस इन द प्रोनाउन. अब प्रोनाउन में क्या क्या चेंजेस आते हैं, लेट्स सी दैट. सो हियर वी हैव द डायरेक्ट स्पीच एंड द इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. बट नाउ यू कैन सी कि जो इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच है वो फर्दर डिवाइड कर गई है 3 कैटेगरीज में, दैट इज मैस्कुलिन, फेमिनाइन एंड द प्लूरल. राइट? So, direct speech में words I shifts into he, she or they. We becomes masculine, it remains the same, feminine also the same, but in plural it becomes they. Us, again it is the same. but in plural it becomes them and their. You, he, she, they. Your, him, her, them. Your, his, her, their. Me, him, her, them. My, his, her, their. Myself, himself, herself, or themselves. Now we have again a point to be noted. Universal truth remains the same. यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ जो है वो वैसे के वैसे ही रहते हैं, वो कभी भी चेंज नहीं हो सकते हैं. राइट नाउ वी हैव द एग्जांपल्स. लेट्स हैव अ लुक ऑन देम. ही सेड टू मी, I shall pray for your good health tomorrow, which is direct sentence. He told me that he would pray for my good health the next day, which is indirect. Next, Rani said, Meera may be leaving the school. This is a direct sentence. And if we change it, Rani said that Meera might be leaving the school. So this becomes the indirect speech, right? Next, we have the universal truths or habitual facts remain the same. जैसे कि अभी बताया गया कि universal truth और habitual facts जो है वो change नहीं किए जाते हैं. So, examples are, the teacher said, God loves all the human beings. This is a direct speech. And the teacher said that God loves all human beings. So this is the indirect speech, right? Next, we have exclamations and wishes. So now let's talk about the exclamations and the wishes. Direct speech, indirect speech. Hurrah, exclaimed with joy. Alas or oh no, said with a sigh and exclaimed sadly, right? So examples are, oh no, we have missed the movie, she said. She exclaimed sadly that they had missed the movie, right? Moving ahead. Next, we have the commands or requests. So, what are the commands and requests now? For changing command sentences into indirect speech, we use ordered. So, अगर हमें चेंज करना है कमांड सेंटेंसेस को इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में तो हम ऑर्डर्ड वर्ड का यूज करेंगे. फॉर रिक्वेस्ट सेंटेंसेस विद प्लीज एटसेट्रा वी यूज रिक्वेस्टेड इन इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. कि रिक्वेस्ट सेंटेंसेस में प्लीज के साथ हम लोग यूज करते हैं रिक्वेस्टेड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में. So the examples are, Priya said to Debu, please sing softly. Next, Priya requested Debu to sing softly. This is again a request. He said, stop. He ordered, stop, which becomes a command, right? So that was all about the chapter speech. I hope you all are clear with both the speeches, that is direct and the indirect speech. So that was all from my side. I hope you all gathered a lot of information from here. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.